everyone, welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Are you ready to take your cleaning business to the next level and achieve rapid growth? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the essential strategies that will help you scale your cleaning service efficiently and effectively. Whether you're just starting out or already established, these tips will give you the edge you need to attract more clients, increase your revenue, and build a business that thrives. Stick around to the end because you don't want to miss these game-changing insights. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on growing your business. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about marketing. Marketing is the lifeblood of any growing business, and your cleaning service is no different. But here's the deal. It's not just about reaching more people, it's about reaching the right people. One of the most effective ways to do this is through targeted online ads. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to hone in on specific demographics, like homeowners, property managers, or businesses in your service area. The key is to create compelling ad copy that highlights your unique selling points, whether it's eco-friendly products, unbeatable prices, or superior customer service. Next, don't underestimate the power of local SEO. This means optimizing your online presence so that your business shows up in local search results. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, loaded with keywords like best cleaning service in your city, and has a Google My Business profile that's fully filled out. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews, which not only boosts your credibility, but also helps you rank higher in search results. Social media is another powerful tool. Consistently posting before and after photos, cleaning tips, and special offers can keep your business top of mind. You can even use platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your work in short, engaging videos. And don't forget about good old-fashioned word of mouth. Offer referral bonuses to your current customers, and they'll do some of the marketing for you. Your online presence is essentially your digital storefront, so it needs to be inviting and easy to navigate. Start with a clean, professional-looking website. It doesn't need to be fancy, but it should clearly outline your services, pricing, and contact information. Include a blog section where you can regularly post articles about cleaning tips, industry trends, and company updates. This not only positions you as an expert in your field, but also helps with SEO. Next, make sure you're active on social media platforms that your target audience uses. For example, if you're aiming for residential clients, Facebook and Instagram are key. For commercial cleaning services, LinkedIn might be more effective. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and reviews. This shows that you're attentive and care about your clients. Don't forget about email marketing. Collect emails from your website visitors and current clients, then send out newsletters with helpful tips, exclusive offers, and updates about your business. This keeps you in regular contact with your audience and increases the chances they'll book your services again. Now let's move on to customer service, because happy customers are repeat customers. First impressions matter, so make sure your staff is not only well-trained in cleaning techniques, but also in customer interaction. They should be polite, punctual, and professional at all times. Implement a customer feedback system. After a job is done, send a quick survey asking clients about their experience. Not only does this show that you care about their opinion, but it also gives you valuable insights into areas where you can improve. Offer guarantees to your customers. Something like, if you're not satisfied, we'll come back and make it right at no extra charge. This builds trust and reassures clients that they're in good hands. Finally, keep communication lines open. Whether it's through phone, email, or text, make it easy for clients to reach you. Prompt responses to inquiries or issues go a long way in building a positive reputation. Scaling your business also means getting smart about managing your time and resources. One of the first things you should do is automate repetitive tasks. Scheduling software, for example, can help you keep track of appointments, employee shifts, and customer information, saving you hours of administrative work each week. Another tip is to delegate effectively. As your business grows, you won't be able to do everything yourself, and you shouldn't try to. Hire reliable staff and delegate tasks that don't require your direct involvement. This frees you up to focus on higher-level tasks like business development and strategy. Invest in quality equipment and supplies. While it might be tempting to cut costs here, using cheap products can actually end up costing you more in the long run if they don't perform well or wear out quickly. High-quality tools not only get the job done better, but also save you time. Lastly, track your expenses meticulously. Use accounting software to keep a close eye on your income and expenses, and regularly review your financials to identify areas where you can cut costs or invest more. Finally, let's talk about leveraging social proof to build trust and attract new clients. Social proof is basically the idea that people will follow the actions of others. So if potential clients see that others are happy with your service, they're more likely to choose you. Start by collecting testimonials from satisfied customers. Feature these prominently on your website, social media, and in your marketing materials. Video testimonials are especially powerful as they add a personal touch and feel more genuine. You can also showcase case studies. For example, write a blog post or create a video that highlights how your services solved a specific problem for a client. Be detailed about the challenges and the results. This not only builds credibility, but also shows potential clients that you can deliver on your promises. Don't forget to ask for reviews on Google and other platforms like Yelp. A steady stream of positive reviews boosts your business's visibility and reputation. And there you have it, proven strategies to scale your cleaning business fast. By focusing on smart marketing, building a strong online presence, delivering top-notch customer service, managing your resources wisely, and leveraging social proof, you're setting your business up for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other cleaning business owners who could benefit from these tips. And remember to subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man channel for more expert advice on growing your business. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.